beautiful Sunday morning, and this must be at around 6:15 that I'm recording the video. So I am near, wait, let me show you. I am near the Shorao jetty, which is, so I'm on the side of Raibandar, and the opposite side is Shorao. And today I plan to take a kayaking experience. I will go via kayak at the other side of the river, and then there is a bird sanctuary. It's a Salim Ali bird sanctuary where we will try to spot birds. This is my kayak, and this is the ferry point, and the mangroves that you spot need to be, that's where we are crossing today.
Yeah. Clip is there, now it will get tricky, slightly closer. And as you are comfortable at it, you can adjust it. Okay. So dip kar up, push kar up, dip kar up, push kar up. I'll be ahead of you so you can see me.
So Sanjay here has curated the kayak experience for me. I have a huge task of crossing the river, and then there is Salim Ali Bird Sanctuary where we're also planning to spot birds. But before that, it is going to be a mind-blowing experience of crossing the whole river. I'm a little stressed considering the tides are a little high. Let's see. Currently very risky, but in the middle of the kayak, I'm just taking this huge shot of River Mandavi. Raise my kayak. And this is Sanjay.
Hello.
He's curating the trip, and I shall leave the details. This is in the middle of the sea. Look at the beautiful sunrise.
Want to fly.
So finally we are at Salim Ali Bird Sanctuary, and here is where we are planning to spot some birds. We have crossed the whole half of Mandavi, not the half of Mandavi, but the from the shore to shore. I have crossed.
So ideally the water is not.
So we are in the middle of Salim Ali Bird Sanctuary. We're trying to spot birds. We could spot a few of them. So this is the place where we came rowing from the other side of the river. That's Ribandar, and now we are on the Shorao side, and we are in the middle of the bird sanctuary. So these are sort of like a backwaters in which most of the birds take shelter in these mangroves. These, all that you see is this is the walkway from the bird sanctuary to the mangroves. So this is where most of the birds take shelter, and mornings are the best time to come here. So this is the pathway from inside the Salim Ali Bird Sanctuary. Both the sides you see are the mangroves, which where basically you generally spot the birds. Towards the end of this road is where I'd shown earlier, where there used to be a small sort of a rampart beach which used to hold the rice paddy fields earlier in the days, but now it's broken. And all of these that you see, the trees, are basically the mangroves. If you see, they are mangroves. And usually if you are lucky, then is the time that you see birds. But because we went rowing from the other side, we could spot quite a few birds. It is overall a very exciting experience. One thing that you have to do is you have to talk slowly in the low voice so that the birds don't get disturbed. We are at the end of it, the mangroves here. This is my brother and my sister. So they accompanied me. They are also taking a short kayaking trips.
Want to fly.
feeling. I just have crossed this whole river. Can you imagine, from that side to this end again? And we actually from Shorao we went to near, I mean, those who are Goans would understand, we went up till closer to Atul Setu, not totally there, but you could also go there. And now I am back to Ribandar jetty. It has been an experience, guys. So my friend Sanjay had curated this, and I will leave the details in this description, where you could get in touch with them, with him. Yeah, just wherever you go, please, it's a personal responsibility to not litter anything or just maintain the discipline, because when you go to those mangroves that you see, that is the habitat for birds and lot of aquatic animals, so aquatic living beings, fish and other living creatures, and you have to be extremely disciplined. You can't scream your lungs out, you just can't get excited, because they also feel little threatened. So yes, I mean, apart from this kayak that I took an experience, I also learned some life lessons, that when you cross your paths and go to another space which is a habitat for another living creature, you have to respect their boundaries too. But it has been a great experience. And staying in Goa, I think I feel blessed that I could use something like this, an opportunity. I'm definitely going to try this again. I thank Sanjay who got in touch with me, and it was actually possible that I could do it.